A hotel worker was shot dead outside the Ryu Palace Hotel in Negril, Westmoreland, Monday night. He has been identified as 48-year-old Ron Simpson, otherwise called Tyson, as chef supervisor of Cave District, Westmoreland. Reports from the police said at about 10:20, Mr. Simpson completed his shift and was entering his car when he was attacked by men traveling in a white Toyota Axio motor car. The men exited their vehicle and opened fire, hitting Mr. Simpson several times before fleeing the scene. Mr. Simpson was pronounced dead at hospital. 25-year-old Terrian Jarrett, a customer service representative of Bull, Savannah District, St. Elizabeth, was charged with knowingly possessing identity information following an operation in her community on Sunday, January 21. Reports from the lawmen are that at about 3 a.m., the team conducted an intelligence-led operation in the area when the premises was searched and Jarrett was found in possession of several lead sheets with identity information of persons living overseas. She was subsequently arrested and charged. Her court date is being finalized. The St. Negril police say a major car stealing ring was uncovered on Monday after more than 35 scrap motor vehicles were found in heavily forested areas in the western section of the parish. The discovery was reportedly made after a tracker on a car that was stolen on Saturday led to an illegal site where other vehicles were seen dismantled in Rocky Hill, St. Mary. Another area known as Common was searched and more scrap vehicles were found. The vehicles, which appear to be fairly new, include Toyota Axio and Toyota Mark X cars. So far, over 35 vehicles have been counted, said the head of the Area 2 Police Division, Assistant Commissioner of Police ACP Gary Hallen. He said the Jamaica Constabulary Force Stolen Motor Vehicles Unit, the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigations Branch are among the specialized units being engaged to locate those behind the suspected car stealing ring. In light of the discovery, Allen is urging motorists to invest in the installation of tracking devices for their vehicle.